a lot of times where I could have quit, but I knew that that degree was going to be beneficial in the long run. And that degree is not just about the paper itself, it's more than that. It's about the struggle, it's about the sacrifice. At the end of the day, I knew that I had a goal, and my goal was to stay focused, stay committed, and show others out there that if I was able to do it, then so can you. It felt really nice. I guess you could say it was kind of like a gift, and I just enjoyed it, just being there, getting the free supplies, and just also letting other colleagues know that there was a really great opportunity out there. It definitely really helped me be successful, not only myself as a student, but also for my family, because it provided my family with a meal. Back in 2016, Student Cupboard was the reason why we had a Thanksgiving meal. And I think that's very big because it provided us with every supply that we needed for our Thanksgiving meal. And that's something that I think it's a moment to cherish. When you're giving something out there to someone that could really help them, I think that's like winning the lottery to me because it just feels that there's someone out there that believes in you. There's someone out there that wants to make your dreams come true, that cares about your self-esteem, cares about you as a person. I don't think I would have changed it for nothing in the world because it really helped me value the journey to not only getting to your destination, but the journey to what is yet to come.